In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your HubSpot CRM data the right way. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get exactly the information you need out of HubSpot without any guesswork. Start by heading into your CRM and choosing the area you want to export from: contacts, companies, or deals. Think about which object holds the records you actually need. If you're compiling a customer list, you'll likely start in contacts. If you're building an account report, go to companies. For pipeline information, choose deals. Before exporting, narrow down what you want to include. Use your saved view or apply filters to focus the data. For example, you might filter by lifecycle stage set to customer, or zero in on a particular owner, region, or last activity date. The tighter your filters, the cleaner your export will be. This is also a good time to confirm the columns in your current view reflect the properties you care about, like email, phone, lifecycle stage, company name, deal amount, or close date, depending on where you are. When your view looks right, initiate the export. In the top right, click Export. In some layouts, you might click Actions, then Export View. Both paths lead to the same export options. If you don't see the export option, check that your user permissions include exporting records. Next, customize the file. Choose your format: CSV or XLSX. CSV is versatile and works across systems and analytics tools, while XLSX is great if you plan to open the file directly in spreadsheet software with formatting intact. Then decide whether to export only the properties shown in your current view or all properties available for those records. Exporting only the properties in your current view keeps the file lean and focused, which is ideal for quick lists or sharing with teammates. Exporting all properties creates a more comprehensive dataset, useful for deeper analysis, backups, or migrations. Once your choices are set, click Export. HubSpot will generate the file and email you a secure download link. Exports with fewer records usually arrive quickly. Larger ones can take a bit longer. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. When the link arrives, download and store the file securely, respecting any privacy or compliance requirements your organization follows. That's it. Choose your CRM object, target your data with views and filters, export from the top right, customize your format and properties, and confirm to receive the download link by email. You're now ready to pull clean, actionable data from HubSpot whenever you need it.